So today's Sierra Hotel One Tango Sunday radio is a Sierra Hotel One Tango Fidelity CB1000FM, which most people remember as being the worst bleed over box ever made. Poor received selectivity, which meant back in the 1980s when CB was first around in the UK. Today's people lived in built-up areas where every other house had a base aerial. These were pretty useless, but in rural areas they were fine. So we've turned this tune up, if you saw the video on that, and this radio is actually doing 4 watts, though they are a 3.5 watt radio. So this one is exceptionally good on transmit. Now normally we get better received from these than this one is doing, but having said that, it exceeds a lot of popular radios in its receive sensitivity, including the very popular and well thought of Uniden radios. This is doing better than 0.3 microvolts, but we do often get these down to 0.15. But that's it, you know, one radio does 2 watts and brilliant receive, the next one does 4 watts and not so good receive. So we're on channel 31, we'll turn a rather gentle squelch down, and we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie, are you receiving over?
Loud and clear.
Roger on that.
Oh, just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, I'll just ask you to speak closely to Mike on this radio. Yes, Ancaster service station.
Roger that. I found the TX audio on that a little muffled.
Well, that's the original mic, so there you go. Normally, we have new mics on them.
Well, roger that.
One of the problems with these radios is the audio output for receive is only 1 watt.
It's going through Ancaster Crossroads over.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads. So this is on its own internal speaker, and this is what you get, which would be alright if you're driving an electric car, but if you start putting one of these in a lorry it's not going to happen. But at least this model does have an extension speaker socket, which is more than the 858 does.
Right, just going over the top of the hill, let's go down into Wilsford.
Roger got you going down into Wilsford. Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner. Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Roger got you at the Kelby turn. So that's his 4 mile point. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. Now I didn't hear him actually say Greyleys. The receive just isn't good enough to have discerned what he was saying, but we did hear him. That is our worst one, that's the 5 mile one. It should get a little bit better on his final one when he says he's at Rawsby Level Crossing. Roger got you going over at Rawsby Level Crossing. Are you going to do some shopping? I know you've got a parcel to post. Okay, see you back at Tango Towers later. 10:10, thank you. Now I can hardly tell what he's saying when he's at 6 miles away. So yeah, they've got atrocious receive, and this one happens to transmit reasonably, though he says it's muffled. So we'll listen to that on our base station. So there's your Sierra Hotel One Tango set for Sierra Hotel One Tango Sunday, the worst set ever on the UK market, the Fidelity CB1000. Now the CB2000 is excellent, the CB2001 is excellent. The CB3000 has similar circuitry to this, which is the base station. It's very stylish, has a tape recorder socket on the back, but it isn't very good. Thank you for watching.
Tango 21 testing the Fidelity CB1000FM into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.